Changing your tune, understanding a common English idiom. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, to change your tune. This idiom is widely used in both casual and formal conversations. It's a great expression to understand and add to your English repertoire. So, let's explore what it means, how to use it, and look at some examples to clear up any confusion. To change your tune is an idiom that means to change your opinion, attitude, or stance about something, especially when you previously held a very different position. It's often used when someone suddenly acts in a more favorable or cooperative manner after being negative or unhelpful. While the exact origin of "to change your tune" is a bit murky, it's believed to date back several centuries. The phrase likely comes from the world of music, where changing a tune literally means to play a different melody. Metaphorically, it evolved to mean changing one's opinion or attitude as if switching to a different song. Using "to change your tune" in a sentence is quite straightforward. It can be applied in various contexts, from casual conversations to more formal discussions. Here are a few examples. Before the exam, he thought it was going to be easy, but after seeing the questions, he quickly changed his tune. In a work context, initially, she was not in favor of the new policy, but after the benefits were explained, she changed her tune. When using this idiom, it's important to avoid common mistakes. Don't use it to describe physical changes or changes in situations. It's about changes in opinions, attitudes, or stances. Ensure the context involves a noticeable or significant change in viewpoint. Understanding idioms like "to change your tune" can significantly enrich your English learning journey, making you sound more like a native speaker. We hope this video has shed light on how to use this expression effectively in your daily conversations. Remember, idioms are a fun way to express complex ideas simply. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to change your tune if you find a new, better way to express yourself. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.